Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Positive Affirmations Workshop. My name is Nicole, and I am part of the Academic Initiatives team. For this workshop, you will need a pen, a piece of paper, and some sticky notes. Learning objectives. By the end of this workshop, you will know the importance of self-talk, and we will practice turning negative self-talk into positive affirmations. We will also learn about some of the science and research behind how using positive affirmations can help build academic resilience. First, let's define a few terms. What are positive affirmations? A positive affirmation is a positive identity statement that you can repeat to yourself, either out loud or in your head. What is academic resilience? Academic resilience is the ability to effectively deal with setbacks, stress, or pressure in academic settings. The last term to define is self-talk. Self-talk is the running internal dialogue you have with yourself throughout the day. After a long semester of ups and downs, it can be challenging to stay positive and motivated. That is exactly why we should use positive affirmations. Positive affirmations can help you build academic resilience to stay motivated through the end of the semester. This is because positive affirmations help to challenge negative self-talk. We learned earlier that self-talk is the internal dialogue that we have with ourselves. This internal dialogue can be either positive or negative. Maintaining a positive internal dialogue is important because your self-talk shapes your beliefs about what you believe you can accomplish. This slide shows some examples of positive and negative self-talk. Self-talk is automatic, so it takes practice to catch negative self-talk and rephrase it into positive self-talk. In this first example, the phrase, "This is too hard, I give up," can be rephrased into a more positive statement, "This is tough, but so am I." Some may be wondering about the science behind the use of positive affirmations. Well, social psychologist Claude Steele wrote the foundational paper on the psychology of self-affirmation. He created the self-affirmation theory, which says that your self-identity is flexible and that you are able to change your beliefs about yourself. Also, researchers in the field of neuroscience have been able to show the impact of positive affirmations on the actual structure of the brain. Positive affirmations introduce new concepts to the brain and open new neural pathways. The last slide of this presentation contains a list of resources where you can read more about some of the research mentioned. Now, here are 3 tips for writing positive affirmations of your own. Tip number 1, start with negative thoughts. List any self-doubts, limiting beliefs, or negative emotions you may be feeling. For example, you can list any negative thoughts that are coming up for you surrounding final season. Tip number 2, use the first person. Using the first person allows you to replace negative self-talk with a clear identity statement that reflects who you want to be. Tip number 3, choose empowering words. What do you value or appreciate most about yourself? What qualities do you aspire to? Choose empowering words to motivate you. We can see here how negative self-talk can be rephrased into positive self-talk and then taken a step further to create a positive affirmation statement. Now let's practice. On a piece of paper, write down any negative self-talk that comes to mind. Next, think about ways to rephrase negative self-talk into positive self-talk. And finally, create one or more positive affirmation statements. Write each one on a sticky note. Take a few minutes to complete this activity. Feel free to pause the video. What affirmations did you create? Here is a positive affirmation that I like to use to challenge my own negative self-talk. I can do anything I set my mind to. Place your sticky notes with your affirmations in places where you will see them often. Making positive affirmations a part of your daily routine can help them be even more effective. You can say them out loud or quietly in your head. Or practice writing your affirmations before a test. Remember that positive affirmations can help you build academic resilience during stressful times. The more you practice, the more you rewire your brain for a more positive inner dialogue. Here are some affirmations to use during finals week. So to recap, your inner dialogue is called self-talk, and it can be either positive or negative. Positive affirmations help manage negative self-talk. And using positive affirmations regularly can help build academic resilience. Thank you for watching and good luck with finals.